Good morning and welcome to the class on digital signal processing. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to solve a low pass filter design problem using bilinear transformation. So, design of low pass filter using bilinear transformation. So, the specifications are passband ripple is alpha p. That is, the attenuation in the passband is 0.5 decibels. Passband edge frequency omega p 0.25 pi. Stop band attenuation alpha s is equal to 60 decibels. Stop band edge frequency omega s is equal to 0.3 pi. Now these are the specifications. Now its magnitude characteristics of the Butterworth low pass filter is shown here. So I'll map these specifications onto this magnitude characteristics. So the passband edge frequency is omega p. It is 0.25. At this frequency, the passband ripple is 0.5 decibels. Next is stop band edge frequency. So it is 0.30 pi. At this frequency, the maximum attenuation is 60 decibels. Now, if we want to design the low pass filter for this magnitude characteristics using bilinear transformation, then the relationship between the analog variable and the digital frequency variable is shown here. That is, analog passband frequency is equal to 2 by t tan of omega p by 2. And if we substitute this frequency variable with stop band frequency, analog stop frequency is equal to 2 by t tan of digital stop band frequency by 2. So, having defined this, from the digital specification, we will get the analog frequency value. Next, the Butterworth filter order n is given by n greater than or is equal to base 10 logarithm log of base 10 under root of 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha s minus 1 by 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha p minus 1 divided by logarithm of base 10 stop band frequency by passband frequency. Stop band attenuation 60 decibels, passband attenuation is 0.5 decibels. So the order of the Butterworth filter is given by this equation. First, we will evaluate this square root term. So under root of 10 to the power of 0.1 into 60, it is 6. So 10 to the power of 6 minus 1 by 10 to the power of 0.1 into alpha p is 0.5. So it is 0.05. So 10 to the power of 0.05 minus 1. So the value of this square root is 2862.77. Next, we need to find the ratio stop band frequency to passband frequency. So that is equal to 2 by t tan of stop band frequency in digital. So it is 0.3 pi divided by 2 by t tan of passband frequency in digital, it is 0.25. So this 2 by t and 2 by t cancels, and there we will be having the value tan of 0.3 pi by 2 by tan of 0.25 pi by 2. When evaluating on the scientific calculator, use the mode radians. So the ratio is 1.23. Now the order of the filter is log of the value is 2862.77 to the base 10 by log of 1.23 base 10. So the value is n greater than or equal to 38. So for the given specifications, the Butterworth filter order is 38. We have computed the order of the Butterworth low pass filter. Next, for the same specifications, we will find the order of the type 1 Chebyshev filter. The magnitude characteristics of the Chebyshev filter is shown here. So we have passband edge frequency omega p is equal to 0.25, and at this passband edge frequency the maximum passband ripple is 0.5 decibels. Next, the stopband edge frequency is 0.305, and at this stopband edge frequency we have a maximum attenuation of 60 decibels. So for these specifications, if we want to compute the order of the Chebyshev filter, then the order of the Chebyshev filter is given by n greater than or is equal to inverse hyperbolic function cos h inverse of under root of 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha s minus 1 by 10 to the power of 0.1 alpha p minus 1 divided by cos h inverse of stop band frequency by passband frequency in analog domain. So for this design also we will be considering the bilinear transformation. Now the relationship between the digital variable and analog variable is given by this relationship, and using these two relationships we will find the analog passband frequency and stop band frequency, and will compute the ratio of these two and substitute it here. For the same specifications, if we would calculate the value of the order of the filter for the Chebyshev filter, again the stop band attenuation is 60 decibels, passband attenuation is 0.5 decibels. Now the Chebyshev type 1 order is given by this equation. So first we'll again compute the square root term. It is to be 2862.77. Next we need to find this ratio. So this ratio is 1.23. Substituting these two values into this inverse hyperbolic function, then the value we are going to get is n greater than or is equal to 13. So for the same specifications, the Butterworth filter order is 38, and for Chebyshev type 1 filter it is 13. Links to the determining of the order of the Butterworth filter as well as Chebyshev filter will be given in the description section.